three padas in ये क्या है? With three padas in Libra and one in Scorpio, Vishakha is a force of nature. Coming in at number 16 in my series of design inspiration from the nakshatras, this constellation is a heady blend of power and ambition. The word Vishakha itself is Vishakha, matlab दो भिन्न शाखाएं. So if you have prominent planets in Vishakha, it is quite likely that you have two completely different careers, often two completely different partners or spouses, and miraculously you manage to give equal importance to both. Another unique thing about Vishakha, its ruling planet is Jupiter, and its ruling animal is the tiger. Chitra gets the female tiger, Vishakha gets the male tiger, which gives it more ambition, I believe. Why the female tiger doesn't have more ambition? Whatever, let's not argue about that. Another interesting thing about Vishakha is that every nakshatra has its own unique Shakti or energy, which is given to it by its combination of deities as well as planet. And Vishakha's Shakti is Vyapana Shakti, which gives it the power to manifest its goals, but only through consistent effort. So, if there's any one nakshatra in this entire pantheon of 27 nakshatra that can manifest its goals through sheer effort, it is Vishakha. Always remember this about Vishakha, that while it is incredibly ambitious and powerful, it is ruled by Jupiter, thus it is a Sattvic nakshatra. So it will not go to any extent to achieve its goal. It's not ruled by Rahu, but it is very powerful. It still has a very strong moral compass, and the dual, it also very uniquely has a power combination of gods that rule it or deities that rule it, which is Agni and Indra. So Agni's fiery passion and Indra's thunderbolt power the magnetism and resolve of Vishakha. The nakshatra also has very unique symbols. One symbol is a potter's wheel, which signifies that it makes its own life, it creates its own future and creates its own life and its ambitions. And the second symbol is what we have used to render the jewel for Vishakha, which is a victory arc or a triumphant arc. And we have used that arc in these 18 karat gold cufflinks that are set with yellow sapphires. They also have the branches of Vishakha inlaid in them. Like this jewel, stay tuned for the next nakshatra in this series, which is Anuradha.